Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to create a morning routine using Todoist, your smart guide to starting your day right. The first step towards creating a morning routine in Todoist is to set up a new project. Simply click on the plus symbol at the top of the left sidebar, then type in Morning Routine. This will serve as a centralized place where you can list all your morning tasks. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. Having a specific project for your morning routine helps you keep everything organized and makes it easier to track your progress. Next up, we're going to add tasks to your morning routine project. Click on the project you just created and start adding tasks. These tasks could include things like drink water, meditate for 10 minutes, or review daily goals. The reason we do this is because having specific tasks listed helps us to ensure we don't miss anything important in our morning routine. The third step is to prioritize tasks. Todoist allows you to assign priority levels to each task. Just click on the task and select a priority level from 1 to 4, with 1 being the highest. This helps us because it allows us to focus on what's most important first. After setting priorities, it's time to set task recurrence. Click on a task, then set it to repeat daily. This ensures that the tasks in your morning routine project will reappear each day, keeping you on track. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is effectively becoming your personal morning routine manager, reminding you of the tasks you need to complete every day. Finally, make use of Todoist's Karma feature. This tracks your productivity over time, providing you with insights and visualizations of your progress. This is a great way to stay motivated as you can see your improvements over time. So in a nutshell, creating a morning routine in Todoist involves setting up a new project, adding tasks, prioritizing them, setting task recurrence, and using the Karma feature. By following these steps, you'll create a streamlined, effective morning routine that sets you up for success each day. And that's it. That's how you create a morning routine using Todoist. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to more productive mornings and successful days.